Hello everyone, this is Aurora. We are on what day is it? Oh no. Day 3? It's only day 3? Oh, where's my mind? Okay, so we're on day 3. We are leaving Elko, Nevada. Well, this is the parking lot. Just wanted to make sure you saw that. We are going to be headed to Idaho Falls. If we can stop at Craters of the Moon, we will, but I don't know if we're going to get there in time. And then after that, we're going to spend a couple of days in Yellowstone. And one of the things I've noticed is my miles per gallon has been amazing because we've been able to go in a straight shot pretty much. There's been no traffic. Leaving South Lake Tahoe, everybody was going west. We were going east, and so it was awesome. We had a great time. We just stopped for smoothies at a Bowl of Heaven in Elko, Nevada. So if you're in Elko, make a little note to yourself to go visit Arlene. I just posted it on Instagram. She has amazing acai bowls. Acai is, by the way, a smoothie with like fruit and stuff in it. It's really popular in California. And anyway, so that was really cool. And we're going to be doing some science stuff soon along the way, and we are going to get going. So I will see you guys in just a little bit. Bye!